Hello everyone! Today's explanation about using SQL to search for data. Records in this format can be searched using a structured query language known as SQL. The format of an SQL statement is select, which lists the fields you want to display. From, list the table or tables the data will come from here. And where, list search criteria here. We will take an example to use an SQL statement to find the year, mileage and price for all Peugeot cars. When we are asked to find, so we are saying that we must select. So we select the year, the mileage and price, and then we put from. From where should we select? From all the table car. So it's named car table. And then we use the where condition since they said we must select only the Peugeot cars. So this is a condition. So in where we put the variable which is make, which contains all the types of cars, and we put a condition in it that to select make only the Peugeot. When we run this SQL statement, this will produce the following result. Suppose we have more than one condition. Here we must use the Boolean condition in the where clause using and or. We will take another example which said use an SQL statement to find the year, mileage and price of all Peugeot cars with a net selling price less than 7,000. So we said when we have find, so it means to select. So now we select the year, mileage and price. From where should we select them? From car table. Now we must have the where condition. We have two conditions. We must select only Peugeot cars and select net selling price less than 7,000. So in where condition, we put make equal Peugeot and price less than 7,000. So when we run the SQL statement, this will produce the following result.